Hi friends, welcome back to the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel. I of course am Larry, the painting man, and we're going to have some fun today with four colors here in a red background. I don't usually use red background, so this is going to be interesting. So to start with, I have a 12 by 12 canvas and four colors mixed up. Put them in the box and also put them in the description so everybody can see. So with that, let's get started. Okay, getting a lot of red cells popping through, which I didn't expect, but wrecking the pour like I did with the head scratcher created a lot of really neat swirls in here.
Yeah. the opposite way you did this, the wrecking with your little massager thing, created these and these.
So we're going to let this dry, and hopefully the red doesn't completely take it over.
It's a subtlety.
So with that, as always, thank you for coming by to watch. We always appreciate it. Leave me a comment, let me know how we're doing, and like and subscribe and share with others. With that, I can say so long. Bye.